Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So this video is just going to be more of an informative video. A lot of people ask me how or why I wash my crochet hair, so I'm just going to give a little 2 to 3 minute spiel on how I wash my crochet hair, and then most importantly why I wash it, so stay tuned. Alright, so there are 2 different ways that I wash my crochet hair. The first one for the coarser hair, like the Jamaican bounce that I've used, I think that was a free tressed ringlet one. So basically that coarse hair, all I simply do is open it out, take it out of the package, put it on a table or a towel, and then put spray dry shampoo on it, because I really don't want to do the water and the conditioner that I'm about to do to this hair, because I just don't know how it's going to react, but I still want to be able to get some of the gunk off. So I spray it with dry shampoo really well. Any dry shampoo will work. I think I used I think that's Pantene Pro V, maybe. Anyway, standard dry shampoo I got from Walmart. Spray it down and just leave it out in the elements for a couple days before you actually install it. So for the other way that I do, which I do more often because I do a lot of the Silky Hair Textures, your Bohemian braids, your water waves. The one I'm doing now is the 3C Whirly by Altry. I'm going to be installing this in a couple days. So all I'm simply going to do is, I don't know if you guys can see this. Let's see. So this is just a bucket or a bowl, and I put like water all the way up to maybe like I half filled it with water, and all I'm going to do is take this conditioner, any conditioner, so I always use the least expensive one that I have, and I'm just going to put a ton of conditioner in the bucket. I purposely buy, most of the time if they have them, like a lot of times Publix will have Garnier Fructis or Pantene Pro V BOGO, so I'll get it there. So this is what it looks like, just conditioner and water. So then the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take the hair, take it out of the package. This one has 4 different pieces, so I'm going to take out each piece. Alright, and then I'm going to, it has like this netting on it, take the netting off. And then don't undo, you see this that kind of keeps it together, don't undo that. You're just going to like maybe stretch it out a little bit, and then you're just going to literally put it in the water. So I'm going to do that for all of them. This is the hair. I took the net off. This is what it looks like. This is, you can either use, I'm using this weave track because I'm going to do a ponytail, but you can do anything. Just when you take it off, just don't take off what holds it together. So just simply put it in as a whole. So I'm going to put in all of the pieces. Alright. So this is what it looks like, and all I'm simply going to do is I'm going to then rub the conditioner in to the hair. So it kind of brings up like a suds vibe. So make sure that all pieces get in there. If you're doing just one head of hair, you really only have to do one bucket. If I'm doing like my hair, then I know I'm going to turn around and do my mom's hair, I will put in, I'll have 2 different buckets. So this is what it looks like, nice and sudsy. I'm going to leave it in here for probably, I try to do at least 2 days. If I can get away with 3, then I'll do 3, but at least 2 days. I'm going to leave it in this mixture, and then all I'm simply going to do is take it out, rinse it in cold water, and then lay it on a towel to dry. And that's it. That's basically all you do. You just want to make sure that it's sitting in the conditioner. If you absolutely have to do it for only one day, then I mean, it's better than nothing. I would prefer at least 2 days to make sure that it gets in there. And then it also makes the hair nice and soft and bouncy. So at least 2 days, but if you can't, I mean, 1 day is better than no days. Rinse it out, and then you're ready for an install where your hair isn't itchy because you put in hair straight from the package. So I hope that helps answer a lot of questions that I've been getting from you guys. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will talk to you later. Bye.